Good afternoon, friends. Welcome back to the channel. Hitchhiking Yeti here, and today we are at the Contemporary Resort, and at this very moment it is 11:10 at night. Magic Kingdom just closed at 11, but because we're staying at a deluxe resort, we get to go into the park to 1 a.m. and ride some rides. So let's go over there and check out the crowd level and see what we can do tonight. Why not? Who needs sleep? Sleep's overrated. Let's go have some fun.
The first floor.
I hear you, Mickey. You hear that sound? Even at night, when I push the record button, the pressure washers will still find me. If it ain't a leaf blower, it's a pressure washer. There goes the green monorail. One thing that I'm really enjoying about staying here at the Contemporary is you can just walk to the Magic Kingdom. I mean, right there's Space Mountain. And then if you just look right there behind me where those lights are, that's the Contemporary. It takes zero time hardly. You just, and you're there. Another monorail. Monorail orange. And the 50th anniversary. Awesome. So here we are at the front of the park. This is where you would normally come through security. And as you can see, everyone is leaving. Except us. We're like some of the few people that is actually going to walk in now. So here we are in the Magic Kingdom. We walk right in, we kind of check out some of the Halloween decorations as we proceed down Main Street. And the one thing that I'm really looking forward to checking out right here is the Mickey jack-o'-lantern on Main Street. I really want to see that. I've never seen one in person, I've only seen the pictures. And this is the day. And this is something new too. We have the plus magic bands, and anytime you get close to these statues, they start lighting up, and then you wave at them, and then they make a sound or play a little song or something. It's pretty cool. I don't know if it's as great as Disney thought it was going to work or be, but I do like it pretty good. And welcome to Main Street, USA. And here's the jack-o'-lanterns that I seen last year. It's got like the Cinderella emblem on it. But I want to see one of the Mickey ones, and I heard they're out this year. So we're going to go hunt for that first. Then we're going to try to ride some rides, hopefully, and who knows, maybe eat a little bit. Even though it's getting late, we're still going to eat because it's Disney World. It is so weird to be walking like we're coming in, but everybody on Main Street is going that way to leave. They're like, everybody's time to go. And we're like, our party's just getting started. Just stunning. At night it is just so beautiful. We have Dumbo. Look, man. Still ain't seen one of these jack-o'-lanterns yet. That's another Cinderella jack-o'-lantern. Oh. Look what I found here, finally. It's a Mickey jack-o'-lantern. Oh man, I'm so excited now. This is awesome. It's the little things. There we go. Now I'm happy. I'm complete. Let's go ride some rides. Of course, the first ride we come to is Seven Dwarfs Mine. And the line is really moving nicely because since it's after hours and technically the park for most guests is closed, there's no Lightning Lane, there's no Genie Plus right now, and the lines move very nicely. We are just zipping along. Seven Dwarfs Mine, 15-minute wait, not bad at all. Awesome. Houston, we have a problem. It ain't. Look, we're broke down. Oh, there we go. I just want to see the witch. There she is, real quick. There he is. And you can't have a little midnight magic without the mad tea party. We're over here with the teacups now. Already had to promise my wife I wouldn't go crazy with the spinning. Which one do we want? We're gonna go for this green one right here. It's teacup time! Woo! Sitting here waiting for our teacups to get going, and Tomorrowland Speedway is looking like a walk-on over there. That might be next. Here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo. We having ourselves a mad tea party, and whoa, I'm getting dizzy already. How you feeling over there? I feel like I'm in the Wizard of Oz right now. I'm in that tornado. So when the ride ends, they tell you to wait till your teacup comes to a complete stop and then walk to your exit. And I'm like, you mean stumble to your exit? That was dizzying, but a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. All right, we're all scanned in. They scan each magic band to make sure you're at a deluxe resort, just where nobody can hang out in here and ride without being in a deluxe resort. Just thought I'd give you a heads up on that if you try that. Cannot wait to next year in 2023 springtime when Tron opens. That is going to be so awesome. On the road again. We just couldn't wait to get on the speedway again. Woo! My wife is an excellent driver here on the speedway. I'm not very good at it, so she's going to hold the wheel this evening while we cruise around the speedway and try to get a closer look at Tron construction. Sounds like our car's got a little knock in the motor. Wonder how long it'll be before Disney does away with the gas motors and goes all EV out here. We have some Teslas that we're cruising around this little track on. So look at that awesomeness. Look at that track. That is just too cool. You're doing great, honey. I was going to say the next thing we might ride is the People Mover, but unfortunately the People Mover is not running. So that's kind of a bummer. So this is I guess this was a good thing. We went ahead and rode Tomorrowland Speedway. Well, we can see the Tron a little bit. So, oh well, we're gonna find something else to get into this evening. I hadn't really seen much food places open tonight at all, except the ice cream shop up here on Main Street. When we walked in, that was still quite a crowd of people. But other than that, not a whole lot of food around, but that's okay. We're having a good time riding some rides. All right, our ride is coming to an end. I hope there ain't no nut come up behind us and just power drive us like I just seen somebody get done that way a few minutes ago. I'm watching. Nothing like some gas fumes to really rejuvenate you and wake you up for some Magic Kingdom fun. So here's a ride we don't give a lot of love to normally, the Astro Orbiter. So we're going to go take that thing for a spin. All right, blast off time, Astro Orbiter. Only 30 more minutes before it's 1 o'clock and we close. Look at my wife up there. She's having a good old time. Wow, that don't sound good, does it? It's just air releasing on the cylinders. It's all good, right? Oh! Nice quick ride. Don't take long. So I gotta say, Astro Orbiter, pretty neat little ride. You know, during the day when I'm here, I never ride it because the line is always so long. And part of that is just the boarding process where you have to get in the elevator and take you up to the second floor to be able to board. That's the reason the Hitchhiking Yeti does not ride that on a normal park day. But a night like tonight where it's pretty much a walk on, why not? You know, why not? Get to see a good little view of Tomorrowland and the castle and everything. It's kind of fun. I don't know what it is about these like fake palm trees here in Tomorrowland, but I like them. I think they're so cool. So right here, this red spaceship, it says Thirst Rangers on it. If you didn't know, I have heard many times that that right there is the actual, like a prop from the movie Flight of the Navigator. I don't know how true that is, but I'm gonna say it's true. I kind of want to believe that. So I just wanted to make a quick little pit stop here just to bask in the glory of looking at this beautiful castle all lit up tonight before we power walk it over to Big Thunder Mountain, because we only have about 20 minutes before 1 o'clock. So it is 12:40 right now, and this place is really going to shut down at 1. So we're going to go get one more ride in, and then we're going to go back to the resort and get some rest, and we'll wake up early in the morning and go to Epcot. All right, this is weird. We're over here at Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, and it's like there's nobody over here at all. So I can't wait to get inside the queue just to see if there's anybody in line, or is this going to like really be an authentic walk-on kind of a moment. Here will be the tell and tale when we look over this rail right here. Nothing. Ain't nobody in this line. Holy, look at this. It's like a ghost town down here. There's nothing.
Here's a wildest ride in the wilderness.
I love that dude. Sounds like an old uncle I used to have. Empty our train cart was. That is crazy. I thought Big Thunder Mountain would be our last one, but it was so quick. We got time. We're going to knock out Pirates real quick. Why? Because there's nobody here. Look at this. I cannot believe how little people was on the roller coaster Big Thunder. I'm telling you, with not a lot of people on that thing, it was just like the people in the back with us. That was it. It was like maybe 5 people on there. Those cars were flying around those corners. They were booging it. It's so wild being in these queues where they're normally just crammed with people, and we're just walking all the way through here, no problem, willy-nilly. 2 people on this boat. Me and her. That's it. Look at that crab right there.
Do I hear 10?
Winnie the Pooh and Piglet. Let me wave at him.
Halloween time is the very best time.
There it went. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow night. Pumpkinhead Mickey. So we had thoughts about not even coming over here tonight at 11 o'clock and giving this a roll for 2 hours, but honestly it wasn't even a full 2 hours because we got over here a little after 11. But we was able to knock out 6 rides, like boom boom boom, fairly easy. Sit down, talk to some people, hang out for a little bit, and yeah, so it was a good night, man. This is worth it. Now in the morning when my alarm goes off bright and early to try to get a you know, a reservations for Guardians of the Galaxy at Epcot, might not be thinking that at 7 a.m. but as of right now, man, this is worth it. Really cool. So if you come to stay at Walt Disney World and you're at a Deluxe Resort, pay attention to what time they close, and whichever night, I don't know what kind of schedule they use with this kind of stuff to, you know, put this forward, but tonight was the night for us, and it was kind of lucky because we didn't even know they was going to have an event like this, so it was definitely worth it. A lot of fun. And that will pretty much do it for us today. Had a great night at the Magic Kingdom, riding some rides, having some fun. If you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing. If you enjoyed today's content, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, please put them down below. I love reading them. So until next time, I'm the Hitchhiking Yeti, and I will see you friends in our next video. Y'all stay safe.